Hi everyone, again after a long time I came with an unboxing video. Today I am going to unbox tplink MR100 4G router. So according to the description in the box, it has 300 Mbps Wi-Fi speed and the model number is TL-MR100. Another good point is we can insert both TDD and FDD SIMs to this router. We can connect up to 32 devices to this router. If we turn the other side of the box, it has parental control facility. Under parental control facility, you can block certain websites, set time limits, see which websites your kids are using, post the internet, etc. And under the guest network facility, we can give a separate access point to the visitors. So we will unbox this now. First we can see the 4G router. Then we can see the power adapter like this. It's 9 volt, 0.85 amperes, 7.65 watts output power. SIM card adapter, license agreement and the user manual. It is clearly explained step by step how to install this router. It comes with dual antennas and finally RJ45 network cable. By size, this is a small handy router. And it comes with a matte finish. We can connect the antennas to these ports. This is the power port with 2 LAN ports. We can insert the SIM card here. We will set up the 4G router now. First, insert the SIM card to this direction. After that we need to connect the power cord, then the antennas. You can see the Wi-Fi username and the password bottom side of the router. We will test the internet speed now. Currently I use tplink MR100 router. I will make a comparison video in future. If you like to watch these kind of videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you like this video, hit the like button.